Hi everyone, Greg from DeFu. Today we're going to be talking about National Cybersecurity Centre Assured Service Providers, what they are and why they're important for businesses in the UK. If you're looking to build a strong cybersecurity posture, working with a National Cybersecurity Centre Assured provider like DeFu IT can give you peace of mind knowing that you're getting the best possible protection and advice. The NCSC is part of the UK government and works to make the country the safest place to live and work online. They provide guidance and support to both public and private sectors, helping organisations defend against cyber threats. NCSC Assurance is an official recognition that a company meets the highest standards of cybersecurity expertise and service. When a provider is NCSC assured, it means they've been through a rigorous assessment process to demonstrate that they have the skills, knowledge and capabilities to deliver high-quality cybersecurity services. This assurance is not just a stamp of approval, it's a guarantee that you're working with a trusted, government-recognised cybersecurity partner. So why does this matter for your business? First, NCSC assured providers offer a level of expertise that you can rely on to help protect your business from the most sophisticated cyber threats. Whether it's defending against advanced persistent threats, ransomware or social engineering attacks, an NCSC assured provider has the experience and tools to keep your systems secure. Second, NCSC Assurance helps you meet regulatory compliance requirements. Many industries such as finance, healthcare and government require businesses to adhere to strict cybersecurity standards. By working with an NCSC assured provider, you're demonstrating that you take these requirements seriously and are committed to safeguarding your data. This can also help you during compliance audits, as partnering with an NCSC assured provider adds credibility to your security measures. In addition to compliance, partnering with an NCSC assured provider can also improve your business's cyber resilience. This means that you're not just focusing on preventing attacks, but also preparing for a swift recovery if something goes wrong. An NCSC assured provider can help you develop an incident response plan, conduct regular penetration testing, and provide cybersecurity training for your employees, as well as the Cyber Essentials certification. When you can show that you work with an NCSC assured provider, it enhances your credibility and trustworthiness. At DeFu, we are proud to be one of the few NCSC assured service providers in the UK. This means that when you work with us, you're not only benefiting from our years of experience, but also from the highest standard of cybersecurity assurance recognised by the UK government. We provide a range of services from Cyber Essentials certification to advanced threat detection, and we're here to help businesses of all sizes secure their operations. If you're looking for top-tier cybersecurity services, working with an NCSC assured provider is the gold standard. Reach out to us at DeFu IT to learn more about how we can protect your business and meet your cybersecurity goals. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has explained the benefits of working with an NCSC assured service provider. Stay secure and I'll see you in the next video.